Do not try this at home. If I blow up myself, then how to jump start a battery. A lot of you guys have commented down below and asked me to make this video. I told you I wouldn't make this video until I come up to this problem. I will show you guys how to jump start a battery. This battery is completely flat. I don't know what happened. It just died. Hopefully we can get it back to life. The charger does not recognize it. And then just to finish it off, the charger broke. So this is the battery that's dead. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the nominal voltage, 20 volt. Both of these are 20 volts. We press the fuel gauge here. We got no readings whatsoever. The other one doesn't have. This is a cheap battery. I don't care if that one blows up, but this one's already dead, so we'll just try to make it come back to life. Turns on whenever it recognizes a battery. I don't have another battery to test it out, but it's plugged in, so we'll leave this aside. The way you jumpstart a battery is by hooking up another battery in the same terminals. Guys, do not try this at home. I repeat, do not try this at home. If you blow up your batteries, if you injure yourself, if you burn your house down, I'm not responsible. I'm just showing you guys the way I do it. And if you blow up yourself or you injure yourself, I am not responsible for that. First of all, you do have to read B plus and B minus. That is battery plus, battery minus. So when you guys read that, find that, make sure you connect it to the correct polarity. On the other battery, obviously you want to get the same battery because, you know, they're in the same place. Unfortunately, I do not have another Craftsman battery, so I do have old DeWalt, or you know, the cheapest DeWalt batteries you guys could get. This is a B plus and B minus. It's in the same place as in the Craftsman. If you guys don't know, these are, you know, owned by Black & Decker, both of these. The way you do it is, obviously you're going to connect the B plus with the B plus, the B minus with the B minus, and then you're going to leave them there for a minute or 30 seconds, and then let's try it. Let's see what happens. I do have a radio, excuse it, because it is really dirty. I use this radio a lot. I've been painting, so I do have it, and this radio does charge. Alright, so I'm going to get the battery. I'm going to fast forward real quick. I'm going to get the only battery that I have, because I don't have the other ones. I sold the other ones. This radio does charge, so I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in there and demonstrate that no lights is coming on from the battery. So we're going to go ahead and continue with the jump start. I do have a wire. See this one, we're going to have it stripped on both sides. I know, this is some wire I had from a fan. We're going to strip it. And then we're going to get a white one. So we're going to get this white one. Same thing, we're going to strip it. Alright, so we got it right there. Alright, so what we're going to do, this is the dangerous part, guys. So like I said before, do not try this at home. If I blow up myself, then I'm responsible for my own actions. You're going to get the battery plus on this one. Hook up the battery plus with the battery plus. Battery negative with the battery negative. So we're going to hook up the battery plus. Alright, battery plus. Making sure. With battery plus. Alright, we got battery plus, just double checking. battery negative, and battery negative. So I'm just gonna use this black one for the negative, since we're, you know. Alright, so negative. Battery negative. With the battery negative. Did you guys hear? So I did get a spark on that one. So, you know, we're in good shape here, I guess. Hopefully we are. Yeah, guys. 1 bar. Did you guys see that? It's alive. That's a good sign, guys. This is how you jumpstart a battery. We're gonna go ahead and try this battery. We're gonna give it a few minutes. I'm just gonna leave it there for what I will say a minute. Just let it, you know, let the current go from one to the other. Hopefully this battery is still okay. I mean, if I'm getting 1 bar, then it should be okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. If you have wires like this, it's better. Like I said, just twist them and just put them in through the terminals. Make sure you guys get the right one. Positive with B positive with B positive, B negative with B negative. Do not mix them. You're gonna burn yourself. You're gonna burn the batteries. Now this charger, I don't know what's up with this charger. It's not. It should be turning on. Maybe because it's not recognizing the battery. It says charging, charged, hot and cold. I don't know. I do hear it on though. Let's go ahead and try it. It's about a minute, I guess, and we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna disconnect the negative and the negative on both sides. So I'll disconnect the negative, disconnect the negative, and then disconnect the positive on this one. Yep, it's registering 1 bar. We are charging, guys. We are charging. The charger did not recognize this battery because of the low voltage, and now it did, guys. I'm actually gonna see if my radio would actually charge this battery. We'll take this out because it's dangerous to have cables in your batteries. So we'll set that aside. We'll set this battery aside. We don't need this. We're gonna go ahead and try it with our radio. That is how you jumpstart a battery. If you guys got any questions, if you guys got any comments, leave them down below in the description section of this video. Do not try this at home. This is for entertainment purposes only. And yeah, now it's hot. So temperature, it's still blinking. I don't know, the cells are hot. Maybe it's a bad battery. You guys want to know if this battery actually worked, let me know that in the comment section, and I'll give you guys an update in the comments.